Hello, I'm Mr. S, and I'll be taking you through a study of world geography. The purpose of these videos is to assist you in learning world geography. These are great to use in your homeschool classroom or as a supplement to your learning in a school classroom environment. They are intended for students roughly grades 6 through 9, but can be helpful to anyone at any level. I'll do my best to take it slow and be thorough, and we'll try to have some fun. Why don't we get started? So what is geography anyway? Geography is the study of Earth and its people. It helps us understand how the environment affects people and how people affect the environment. When a geographer studies something on Earth, they ask questions about it, such as, where is it? Why is it there? How did it get there? How does it affect the people there? And how does it affect the natural environment? These questions are often asked in spatial terms. Spatial relationship is the connection between where things are located in the space of Earth's surface. For example, a geographer might ask why a mountain range is located along the western border of a desert. Locations don't have to be next to each other to have a spatial relationship. Chicago, Illinois is nowhere near Cairo, Egypt, but a geographer can still locate them spatially on the Earth's surface based on the things that they don't have in common. They can use those things to draw conclusions about them. Chicago receives an average of 35 inches of snowfall each year, while Cairo receives almost no snow ever. Using those facts, a geographer can determine the relative location of each place. More on relative location in a later video. Geographers typically divide their study into two broad categories: physical geography, or the study of the physical features of Earth. These things can be seen, like rivers, mountains, or animals. These are also naturally occurring things that can be measured, like temperature, wind, or the amount of annual snowfall in Chicago. The second category that geographers divide their science into is human geography. Human geography is the study of how human activity affects or is affected by the Earth's surface. Geographers are interested to know what features of Earth induced people to build a town in a certain place, or how a human-made dam affected the local climate or wildlife. The Sahara Desert in Africa and the country of China both cover roughly 3.5 million square miles of land. China has a population of 1.4 billion people, while the Sahara Desert region has a population of only 2.5 million people. 560 times more people live in China than in the Sahara Desert. Geographers studying human geography would look to discover why two places of roughly the same size have such a wildly different population. The study of geography has been around for a very long time. Around the year 450 BC, a man named Herodotus created the first map of the known world. As you can see, his map is very crude and is missing huge portions of the world that we know today. How we got from Herodotus' small map to the whole globe that we know today was an effort of geography. People asked questions about the world around them. They gathered information and compiled it. They analyzed the information that they compiled and began to put the pieces of the geographic puzzle together. Okay, so we know what the whole globe looks like by now. We've been able to look at all of Earth from space, so unlike in the days of Herodotus, there aren't any huge swaths of land that we don't know about. So why do we still need geographers to study Earth? Well, the Earth is a living thing. It continues to change. In this photo on the left, you can see the Aral Sea in the country of Uzbekistan. This photo was taken in 1989. It was once the fourth largest lake in the world. Now you can see in the photo on the right from 2014 that the Aral Sea is now more like the Aral Pond. How did this happen in just 25 years? Well, this is the type of thing that a modern geographer would be studying. As we move through this course, we will continue to get a better understanding of what geography is. We will look at some of the tools that geographers use to study the Earth, and we will work on applying it to our own lives. I hope that you stick with me, because this is going to be a lot of fun. I would encourage you to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified when a new video is posted. Also, check the video description for important links relating to the day's topic, as well as a link to the course's playlist so you can catch up on any videos that you may have missed. Thanks so much, and I'll see you all next time.